It seems like very few people are talking about a national crisis, and that is the health of our kids. We said, what on earth could we possibly do to make a difference in the lives of so many people?
We are here for Let's Move Day, which is a wonderful initiative, a wellness program to motivate young people to be inspired about their health.
As a mom, sometimes I think I can't exercise, my kids can't keep up, or it's too hard to do the strollers. We gained a couple things today. We gained a little bit of confidence that we could do a 5K even as a family.
It's about providing education and resources for families to not just talk about wellness, but to actually show people how they can change their life with wellness. And that's what we're here to do.
Relove Life has never been done before. This is something that was born in Indianapolis, the crossroads of America, and that has gone from 0 to 60. This movement literally publicly launched as of today, September 22, Let's Move Day. We had numerous schools from Wayne Township show up, from Garden City. They brought several buses of families. We have a Kids Health Expo, 8 interactive booths teaching kids playful, fun ideas to be healthy. LA Fitness is on board, the Urban Garden is on board, and it's thanks to the community in Indianapolis that this is actually a success.